What up, guys? The Crypto Homie. I'm back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how Wall Street is warming up to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But make sure you stick to the end for an update on CHAINLINK and OXT. And before we get into it, make sure you smash the subscribe button for more content. So let's dive right into it. The first thing of today is Paul Tudor Jones. He is a hedge fund manager that announced that he's putting 1 to 2% of his net worth into Bitcoin. This is a precedence because as of right now, it's kind of like a taboo and a career suicide kind of thing. If you're somebody in traditional finance, they look at Bitcoin as not a professional thing to do. So he made a tweet about 17 hours ago. He says, "My bet on Bitcoin as a safe haven against the deteriorating dollar is doing incredibly well. My only regret is not buying more. I believe this rise in price we're seeing is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started." I don't know about you guys, but it doesn't matter how much Bitcoin you accumulate, you always feel like you need more when the price goes up. You feel like you didn't buy enough. It just happens. So I think he's feeling that FOMO that, hey, it doesn't matter that he bought 1 to 2% of his net worth, which is actually a lot of money compared to like the average person, but he still feels like he didn't get enough. And interestingly enough, he has another tweet from 15 hours ago, and he says, "2 other projects I highly encourage investors in the space to check out are Centivate, if I'm saying that correctly, and CHAINLINK. The combined effort by both of these teams will take the internet and our financial system to a whole another level." That is interesting. I have not heard of SNTVT, but I mean, we've all heard of CHAINLINK. So we're actually going to look into that SNTVT. Brought up on CoinMarketCap, and it's up 33%. I mean, I wonder why. This Paul Tudor Jones tweeted it. That's probably why. But guys, look, $21 million market cap. That is so low. This definitely has room to grow. Circulating supply is approximately 2.6 billion. Total supply is 4.2 billion. So we need to dive into that to see what they're doing with the extra supply. We'll do that in another video. And just scrolling down, I see the exchanges. It's not on too many hot exchanges. I mean, it has the Uniswap, but fiat on ramps are definitely easy for tax purposes of tracking your taxes. So we'll see if it gets on Coinbase or anything else. But the charts, I mean, as you guys can see, it's just going up, probably because of his tweet, because people are looking into it and like, hey, I'm going to buy it. The all-time high was almost a penny, August 17th, which was yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was yesterday. So, wow. All-time low in March. Hey, this is looking like something I need to check out, and maybe you should too. I'm also going to be following his tweets to see what else he suggests, because it seems like whatever he's going to put out is going to probably pump for the short term, but most likely is a legit thing, because he's probably not going to want to buy into some random stuff that has no value. But more importantly, guys, this just shows that Wall Street is just getting closer and closer. They're warming up to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies such as CHAINLINK and SNTVT. And then up next with the whole Wall Street thing is, I covered this last week, but just a reminder, if you missed the video, MicroStrategy Incorporated is a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ. And this was tweeted out by Pomp. He says the valuation is 1.39 billion. The 2019 revenue is 486 million. The number of employees is approximately 2,400. The stock closed today at $143.84, which is about 15% higher than a week ago, when they decided to put 250 million in balance sheet capital into Bitcoin. Guys, let that sink in. They took balance sheet capital. That's like a cash to the side for like when they need money. They took $250 million and put into Bitcoin. Their valuation is 1.39 billion. That is very impressive. I think this is going to happen more and more. I'm not sure if it's going to be publicly, because like I said, there's kind of a stigma with traditional finance buying into Bitcoin. So I wouldn't be surprised if more companies have done something like this, but just are not announcing it, which I guess I don't understand why they're not announcing it, because look, their stock just goes up because people are like, oh, they're into Bitcoin and they know Bitcoin actually has value. So, hey, we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. But as you guys have all been waiting for, this Chainlink and OXT update. Let's go to the charts. So, first link. As I said in the previous videos, I thought it would come back down to high $17 and bounce back up. I was definitely wrong. The wick came back down to $14.70, and then it shot back up. See, guys, this is strong. There was buyers in here. It shot down. There was buyers. So then ended up closing at around $16.80, somewhere in that region. And then look at it, guys, it's up from the close yesterday at $17. And just like before with all these other pullbacks, this one's a little more of a pullback. So we might have some more consolidation here, and I wouldn't be surprised for us to keep going. Plus, with Paul Tudor Jones tweeting about Chainlink, and when people actually see that, I mean, who knows if that can give it a pump? We shall see. But I definitely believe in this range is a great buying opportunity. We may even see some more downside action, but long term, I see this thing going up. And OXT. I know a lot of people were excited about OXT. You know, it went up 200%. I mean, that's some crazy, crazy, crazy gains right there, just in 3 days. You see that? I'm sure you've seen that. And then look, we came smacking back down to 58 cents. Now we're at the 58-cent area. I still, like I said in my live stream, I wasn't surprised if we'd hit 42 to 45. And I wouldn't be surprised if we hit like the 28 to 32 region. But hey, it's holding up there. So we're building some support, which is great. I think we should have another couple of days of this, see what it's doing. As long as it can hold this area, then I think we're going to bounce up. But if it breaks down, I'd be expecting somewhere in this region, the 42 to 45 cent region. Alrighty, guys, let me know down in the comments below. What do you guys think about Wall Street getting into crypto? You know, what do you think about Paul Tudor Jones tweeting out about Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies such as SNTVT? And MicroStrategy, their balance sheet is now Bitcoin. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is for pure entertainment. Invest at your own risk. And I would like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. Crypto Homie is signing out.